How to fix real-time protection not turning on in Windows 11. So if you're unable to turn on the real-time protection on your computer, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure you don't have another antivirus on your computer that's causing a conflicting issue. So if you come down to the taskbar on your computer, you can see right now I also have McAfee installed on my computer, and that will be the reason why I can't turn on real-time protection. So all you'd need to do is open up your start menu and click on settings. In the left-hand side, select apps and click on installed apps. Now, if you have any other antivirus programs like McAfee or AVG, then you'll need to go and uninstall these from your PC. So I'm just going to uninstall McAfee like so. Once you've finished uninstalling this, you can open back up the start menu and go and load up Windows Security. Now click on Virus and Threat Protection, go and click on Manage Settings, and you should now be able to turn on the real-time protection. If it's still not working, open up the Start menu, search for CMD, and then right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Now from this window, we need to go and type in the following commands. So type in wingmt /salvage repository and press enter. Now once you've done this, type in sfc /scan now and press enter. Now this will scan your computer for any corrupted or damaged files. So just wait for this verification to get to 100% and then you can close out of this window. If it's still not working, go and open back up the command prompt and go and type in the following command. Now, I'll leave this in the video description so you guys can come and copy and paste this as well. Once you've entered the command, go and close out of the window, and you should now be able to turn on the real-time protection.